my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video I am going to show you about how can you sign up in Google Earth Engine. So first of all, type on Google, sign up Google Earth Engine, and then you can see such kind of interface and name your full name, affiliation, institution type, and your nation. You can choose, I am choosing India, and then you need to fill what would you like to accomplish with Earth Engine, means what you want to do in Earth Engine, and then tick this two, then it will be open.
Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I am going to show how you can manage your repository, folders, files, etc. in Google Earth Engine, and along with this, how you can save as your scripts in Google Earth Engine. So I want to request you, please see this video up to the end. And if you are not the subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography, and also click on bell icon to get notification of any new videos from my channel. First of all, you need to know the interface of this Google Earth Engine. If you can't know, then please see my previous videos on Google Earth Engine basics. Then you need to know this panel, scripts panel, and here you can see scripts doc assets. Scripts is the today's topic. So to save anything, you need to create a repository first. Here I have several repository, like one repository is called ursgisg UIT, and then U2. I am showing you creating a new repository as naming as LULC. Means in this repository I will save all folders regarding land use land cover. In this repository I want to create a folder. Here you can choose any repository. I am choosing LULC repository, and folder is naming it as LULC 2010. Then in this repository, and then within this folder I am creating some files. LULC file name as annual LULC 2010. Okay, see that within this folder this file is created, and now in this file we will create some scripts. So first of all, I am writing here LULC 2010 annual. Okay, then I'm creating variable equal to etc etc. You know better than me. Okay, then what you need to do, you can save. If you save this, then this file will be saved within this folder and within this repository. I'm saving it as annual LULC. Okay, in this folder, and this is the file name. Okay, and if you think that you want to save on another folder or another repository, then click on save as, and then I am changing the repository. I'm changing it as YouTube, and then I am naming differently. Then you can save, then it will be saved in this YouTube repository. See this is the file, and here you can rename also. Rename is also done. In this way, according to your need, you need to specify the repository, the folder, and along with this, the file also. Thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much. Please like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me. Thank you. Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I'm going to show one new thing. And in previous video, I tried to show different tools in Google Earth Engine. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start work with Google Earth Engine. And at the same time, I'll show you what is the basic difference in codes, scripts, and comments, which are very important knowledge about work in Google Earth Engine. So in every coding language, people just try to start by hello world. So I'm writing first the comment. For writing comment, you need to type double slash, and then you need to write what you want to write. Start work with Google Earth Engine. And once again, I'm making slash, double slash, and first code, better to say script, for GEE means Google Earth Engine. And here now I am to print hello world, print hello world. See that here we need to inverted comma, okay, and to run. See that in console window it is saying hello world, okay. And in this here, uh, two line, two double slash, you don't one slash and one, this is also works, okay. You don't need to double slash in every line. In this way you can make this. And here I want to mention you that here this is the comment and this is the script, and all thing is called as code, okay. And if I am wrong anywhere, please make me correct by your valuable comment. And at the same time, I want to show you one ready-made code to work in Google Earth Engine. So I'm paste ctrl v, it is pasted. And yes, okay, this is the code I want to, it's working. See that this is the comment and this is the script, or this is the download script from Google, Google Earth Engine developers tool. And see that variable for adding dataset, variable dataset, and this filter date, um, and this is visualization, everything. And now I want to click on run, and see that there is perform without, analysis without. run. It is working now. Yes, this is the ice cover. And if you want to inspector, click on inspector and then click here. Then this is, you can see the value here. Point is latitude longitude at 2 kilometer per pixel, and this is the valuable information about this. And thanks for watching till the end of this video. Please comment me if you want to know anything or you want to ask anything about Google Earth Engine or any other topic of geospatial analysis. And please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notified from all videos from my channel. And at the same time, I want to request you, if this video is helpful to you, please like this video and share among your friends, among your colleagues. Okay, and I want to inform you that in the next video I'll try to show about the different shortcut key which are very useful in Google Earth Engine. So please stay connected with my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography, and thank you. Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of Google Earth Engine. You know, Google Earth Engine is a easily workable cloud computing platform. You can work in this platform online mode. You don't need to keep huge data storage in your computer. And you know, in previous videos, I created one video how to create Google Earth Engine account. You can see this video by clicking in the I button. But in this video, I'm going to show the basic interface of Google Earth Engine. And in next videos, I'll try to show you important basics and advanced Google Earth Engine. So let's start. You can see this is the Google Earth Engine interface. Okay, in the left, in this left, this is called as left panel. You can see Earth Engine code editor left panel. The upper left panel contains 3 tabs. You can see scripts, docs, assets. The scripts tab contains example scripts and scripts you save using the save button in the code editor. The docs tab contains documentation for the Earth Engine API functions. Toward the top of the docs tab, there are a search box that you can use to search for functions by name. The assets tab contains the list of assets you have uploaded to Earth Engine. You can use it to upload, view and manage your assets. Repo manager, documentation list, asset manager. Okay. And now the middle portion, which is called as editor panel. Earth Engine code editor, editor panel. The upper center panel is the text editor. Write and edit code here and click the run button to execute your script. Script saving and sharing are also available here. Imports appear at the top of the editor. Create dataset imports by clicking on import buttons. Create geometry inputs by using the geometry editor tools. Get link button, save button, run button, reset button, manage apps button, setting button. Okay, this is the function of editor panel. And now the right panel. You can see inspector console and tasks here. The upper right panel contains the inspector console and tasks tabs. Use the inspector to examine coordinates, pixel values and layer information. from any point on the map. The console holds output from print, calls, charts, and errors. Long-running tasks are managed in this task tab, Inspector Console and Tasks. And now this map interface, which is called UI root, Earth Engine Code Editor UI root. At the button is the map of where your imagery analysis results are displayed. The pull down in the upper right corner of the map lets you manage image layers, visualization properties. The upper left provides a geometry editor you can use to draw points, lines, and polygons. You can manipulate the map with the map object and with the user interface API under the UI namespace. You can further customize this portion of the screen. Okay, and now the search box in the upper portion, Earth Engine Code Editor search box. At the top is the dataset search box. Here you can search dataset. Search here for map locations and for datasets available through Earth Engine. You can import the data directly into your script from searching in this search box. And this is in the top right corner, Earth Engine Cloud Project. Your cloud project for Earth Engine computations. This project is used to track Earth Engine computations quota and control access to your assets. Use this menu to select or create a different cloud project. Okay, this is the all thing which I wanted to show, and for your better understanding, I want to show you again. See that this is the scripts, docs. Here you can search any method, etc. And this is the asset. I have no asset till now. And this is the editor panel, get link, run, reset, apps, settings. And this is the right panel, inspector, console, and tasks. And this is the UI panel, lower. Here you can select anything. Okay, a point, line, polygon, rectangle, etc. And this is the map. You can see terrain map, satellite map, and see that if you want to see only the map, then click on this tool. Okay, and here search option. Okay, and here you can and user guide, developers questions and answer site, developers discussion group, other support options, general shortcuts, feature tour, and here you can send code editor feedback. Okay, and this is the all thing which I wanted to discuss with you. And you can exit. This is the geometry. You can delete. Okay, you can save as, save with description, get link, manage link, shareable snapshot, reset apps, everything. In the very next video, I'll discuss about this works of these tools using proper example. So please like this video and subscribe my channel to get notified of the new videos from my channel, and of course stay connected with my channel. And if you think this video is helpful to you, or if you think you need to suggest me anything, please comment me, and please stay connected with my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. Thank you. Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I'm going to show one new and important thing about Google Earth Engine. This is the very basic thing about Google Earth Engine, and in this video, I'll show two ways to write comment in Google Earth Engine. In my previous videos in the Google Earth Engine playlist, you can see the basic understandings of Google Earth Engine and different basic videos on Google Earth Engine. And in this video, I'll show how to write comments in Google Earth Engine. There are basically two ways. The first way is double slash. After double slash, you can write anything in the I'm writing understanding RS-GIS and geography. This is one way, and in this way you can write comment by using double slash in each and every line. See that without double slash that not will be the comment. And this is the first way, and another way I'll show you that slash, single slash, and then star, and then write understanding RS-GIS and geography, and then you can give the star and slash. At the first, slash and star, and at the end, star and slash. In this way, see that all these are comment. In the first type, if you can give every line slash to write the comment, but in the second process, by using one slash and one star like the bracket, you can write anything as the comment. So thanks for watching till the end. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification of new videos from my channel, and of course like this video, share among your friends, and comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me. Thank you so much. Please stay connected with my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. Thank you. Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I am going to discuss about one new thing in Google Earth Engine. And first of all, I want to invite you to subscribe my channel and see the previous videos of my channel regarding Google Earth Engine and other topics like geospatial analysis and Google Earth flow analysis. And in this video I am going to discuss about different shortcut key of Google Earth Engine. This will be very helpful because to reduce the consumption of time in Google Earth Engine and geospatial analysis or any other work, you need to reduce the time consumption. And so first of all, you need to click on this question sign, and you need see that user guide, developers question and answer site, developers discussion group, other support options, and then general shortcuts, general shortcut key. And here you can see different categories of shortcut key regarding shortcuts menu, code editor shortcut key, and then map shortcut key, geometry editor shortcut key. So first of all, I want to say about shortcut menu. Control plus shift plus H show general shortcuts, and questions same as above means show general shortcuts but only available outside a text area. And then the most important shortcut key of code editor, you need to know this type of shortcut key to reduce the time consumption and in working Google Earth Engine. The first one is Control Alt plus H, which means show editor shortcuts, then Control plus S save script, Control plus enter run script, Control plus Alt plus enter run script with profiler enabled, Control plus Alt plus F search datasets, Control plus space as a show code suggestions. This will be most helpful in Google Earth Engine work. And then escape, hide suggestions or search pop-up up, and then a tab indent, and shift plus tab app unindent, control F search, control H search and replace, control G find next, control C plus G find previous, control P they go to matching bracket,
alt down, move lines down, alt up, move lines up, alt plus, sorry, control plus slash. This will be most important. And comment or uncomment selection or current line. You can comment or uncomment selected line or current line, and then control plus C plus D, duplicate at selection or current line. And control plus alt plus E, start recording macro, control shift E, execute recorded macro, control comma, editor settings menu. And then the next category or third category regarding map shortcut key, 1 to 9, and toggle the visibility of the nth layer 0, or hide all layers, minus zoom out plus zoom in a left arrow, move left, right arrow move right, up arrow move up, down move down, down arrow. And then the last category of geometry editor shortcuts, shift O, switch to point mode, shift L, switch to line mode, shift P, switch to polygon mode, and then alt hold to temporarily turn off on drawing mode, shift E, exit drawing mode. Okay, these are the all shortcut key. See this video again and again, and try to remember. And here I want to show several things, like think that if you want to map, add layer, a map, and then control slash space, then you will see such kind of options in your code editor. A map, add layer, you can do this, and select this, and control plus slash means uncomment, on again control plus slash uncomment. And next that, at map dot center object. Yeah, see that center object, this is working nicely. And if you want, control slash or control slash again to make it comment and uncomment. And thanks for watching till the end. And once again, I want to request you, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification of every new videos from my channel. And I want to request you, please like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions to me. And once again, thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much.
Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I'm going to discuss one new thing about Google Earth Engine, which is very much important nowadays for geospatial analysis. And this is the basic thing to work in Google Earth Engine. So in this video, I want to discuss about how to upload any shape file for work in Google Earth Engine. And if you are new in this channel, you may not know how. If you are new in this channel, please see other playlists of my channel in the description box, and see other videos regarding uh, Google Earth Engine, which are more basic than this video and which will be very much important for geospatial analysis. So to upload any shape file in Google Earth Engine, first of all, this is the Google Earth Engine interface. You can see scripts, docs, assets, new scripts, link, run, save, reset apps, inspector, console, and task. Within these tools, you need to select asset, and here you can see new, add a project. So if you want to upload any shape file, uh, it will be called as asset of your Google Earth Engine account. So, and if you want to upload any shape file newly, then you need to click on new. Okay, and after clicking on new, you can see that image upload, geotiff or TF record, take table upload, shape file, CSV file, image collection, and folder. And I want to upload shape file, so I am clicking on shape file. And for shape file uploading, you need to upload this type of files: .shp, .shx, .dbf, .prj, or zip. You can upload all these four files or zip. So it will be better if you want to upload zip file within a single file. You can upload, but when you are trying to upload such kind of four or file, then sometimes it is shown as unable to upload. So I'm clicking on save file, and here you can see that this is the asset ID and asset name which you want to naming it, and you need to select the asset, means the the save file. And here you can see that please drag and drop or select files for this asset, allowed extensions, which I already discussed, but here it's more than that: shp, zip, dbf, prj, shx, cpg, fix, qix, sbn, or shp xml. You can upload such kind of file extension. And now I'm selecting, I want to upload uh, zip file. Here see that India Districts Administration, and this is the zip file extension. I'm selecting it, and then open, and you can see you can delete also, and upload again, select again, but I'm not doing so, and I'm clicking on upload. And see that here the task color is changed, and you need to click on tasks, and you can see that uh, it is uploading. It started 7.09%, and it will take a few minutes or few seconds. It depends on your network and data availability and data speed. And you can see it will be available in here, legacy asset. Okay, and I want to request you, if you are not subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. This channel will be very much helpful for you. And please share this video and like this video if you think that this video is helpful to you. And you may know or may not be know that in this channel I am uploading videos like geospatial analysis, Google Earth Engine, RStudio, and ArcGIS, and several other videos regarding Google Earth. And in future time I will also upload in different unique videos about RStudio, Google Earth, Google Earth Engine, and ArcGIS. And of course in this channel you will find the videos regarding research methodology, advanced research methodology. You can see that those videos. And this is the map interface. You can see this is the add a marker, line, polygon, shape, and this is the rectangle. You need to zoom in or zoom out here. Okay, and this is the map, and you can select satellite. Yeah, see that. It is taking little bit time, but uh, less than 1 minute. I think it will take several minutes. Okay, yeah, see that. This is the current satellite image, Google Earth image. Here you cannot find the historical image, means previous image. And for your better understanding, I want to say one thing. When you are doing any image classification, supervised or unsupervised, and when not unsupervised, basically for supervised classification, when you are giving the training data, uh, this is the current Google Earth imagery. So if you want to classify any image for the year 2023, then you can take such kind of Google Earth training data. But if you want to classify for the year 2010 or before 2023, then such kind of Google Earth training data will not be very good for your classification, because this is the current and Google Earth data. When you are taking training sample for 2023, then classification will be nice. But when you are taking training sample before 2023, that's make unnecessary error. It's taking time. And for you can I want to show how to add that shape file into your script. I'll show two methods how to add shape file into your Google Earth Engine map layout, a map interface. I want to you can and you can you need to write var equal to feature collection. Okay, and then you need to uh, paste the link which will be available after uh, ingest table of shape file. It is ingested. Okay, uh, refresh asset code. Yeah, see that it is uploaded. And here you can and share this. You can rename it, and you can import into script. I want to click on it and see that this is the interface. You can edit also. Here you can edit. You can edit description, features, properties, etc. And this is the table ID link. Okay, you can you need to paste this table ID link. and I want to import this and see that. And features, what are the features? These are the features. District, state, district. This is the features of Shapefile. Okay, 10. This is the limited to the first 10 features. And I want to import this into the script. It is imported, and you can change the table name. I am changing it ROI, means region of interest or area of interest. Okay, and this is the area of interest. And if you want to see in the map interface, then you need to write the script as map add layer and bracket ROI. This is the most simple method of map layout without any criteria or any further details. Run it and see that console map layer is not defined. Here you need to map dot add layer. This is the actual code, and you need to run it. See that it is working. Okay, this is the most simple way to map add layer. See that layer on, you can name it. I will show such kind of mm, video in my next videos. See that this is the Shapefile file which I uploaded. Okay, and there are another way also to so upload to add in the new script. You can name it by click on save as and you can name it here, but I want to name it now. Yeah, I am naming it as. First of all, you need to create a repository. I'm writing it as understanding RS-GIS YouTube training. Create, and in this repository I'm saving as upload shp and means upload save file and add into script. You can commit message. Okay, it is saved. See that upload shp.add. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I am going to show how you can copy the geometry from one code editor to another code editor in Google Earth Engine. I think this video will be helpful for you, so please see this video up to the end. First of all, what you need to do, you need to open the Google Earth Engine code editor, and then you need to create a polygon. Think that I am creating this polygon. See that I am creating this polygon. Okay, and see that geometry polygon, 4 vertices, and these are the coordinates. Okay, 5 coordinates. I'm writing here copy geometry from one code editor to another means how you can copy this to this. So first of all, you need to write here, I'm writing here geometry equal to ee dot geometry dot polygon, and then you need to paste these coordinates. Okay, for this you need to copy and then paste. You need to delete this. Okay, and one more third bracket, and here also one more third bracket, and you need to give comma. Okay, then it will be done. And if you want to see in the map at layer, write map at layer and then geometry. Okay, and then you need to run and see what happened, and to untick this, and this is the geometry, and you need to copy this and paste in the new code editor. Then you can run here also, and you can name it as that you want to name it as geometry, as RY means region of interest, and okay, run. This RY is here. I think this video will be helpful for you. Like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me. And thanks for watching till the end. Please subscribe my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography, and click on bell icon to get notification of new videos from my channel. Thank you.